In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage users for your company. In order to manage users, your user account must be a super user. If you're not set up as a super user, you'll need to ask a super user in your company to manage users for you, or update your account to a super user. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new user for your company, hover over Account and click Manage Users. This will bring you to the user search page, where you can view all the users added to your company in BorderConnect. To create a new user profile, go to the top and click either Create Super User or Create Normal User. Or you also have the option to invite a new user to BorderConnect by clicking Invite Normal User. The main differences between a super user and a normal user is access to manage or change additional administrative information for your company in BorderConnect. For example, a super user can create or remove existing user accounts and also change company information on the company details page, and a normal user cannot. So now, go to the top and click Create Super User, which will bring you to the Create User page. Starting from the top, enter the user's first name and last name, then the title of the user, and the user's email address, phone number, and phone number extension if it's applicable. Lastly, if your company operates out of multiple terminals, you can click the Terminal Office field to change the terminal the user operates out of. And to learn how to create and manage terminals in BorderConnect, click the link at the top of the video now for a quick tutorial. Finally, below, enter the user's credentials to log into BorderConnect. So, enter the username, and then below, the password, confirming the password again at the very bottom. Once you've verified the new user's information, just click Save at the top and it'll bring you back to the user search page, where you can now see that your new user has been added to BorderConnect. To invite a user to use BorderConnect, click Invite Normal User at the top and just enter their first name, last name, and email address. Then click Send Invitation, which will send an email inviting them to create a BorderConnect user account. Also, as a super user, you have the ability to manage users for your company as well. From the user search page, you can view, edit, or even delete existing users from the system if they're no longer part of your company. Additionally, you can set up your user account for email notifications and other user profile preferences under My Account Settings. To learn how to set up email notifications for ACE or ACI eManifest updates or other user preferences, click the link at the top of the video now for a quick tutorial on the review of My Account Settings.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.